The National Electrical Code requirement pertaining to the minimum ampacity of a feeder has been moved. In the 2005 National Electrical Code, this requirement has been relocated to Article 220.42b. This section now states that where the load supplied consists of any of the following number and types of circuits, the feeder shall have an ampacity of not less than 30 amps. This applies firstly to 2 or more 2-wire branch circuits supplied by a single common neutral. Secondly, it applies to 1 3-wire branch circuit and 1 2-wire branch circuit supplied by a common neutral. Thirdly, this applies to any combination of 3 or more 2-wire and or 3-wire branch circuits where the total load served is not over 30 amps. Fourthly, this applies to a single appliance rated at not less than 22.5 amps and supplied by an individual branch circuit. The reason for moving this requirement to Article 220, which covers branch circuits, is to clarify that the requirement applies to branch circuits rather than feeders. A feeder is defined as the circuit conductors between the service equipment or generator and the final branch circuit over current device. The purpose of this requirement is to ensure that the feeder supplying these types of loads has sufficient ampacity to handle the potential simultaneous operation of all the circuits. This is especially important in cases where the combined load could exceed the ampacity of the feeder. It is worth noting that the phrase at least 30 amps has been replaced with not less than 30 amperes in the 2005 National Electrical Code. This change is intended to emphasize that the feeder ampacity must be exactly 30 amps or greater, rather than just slightly more than 30 amps.